Hi, today on Chris Cooks, we're going to make simple Instant Pot baby back pork ribs that are Chinese style. First up, our marinade. We're going to use the Chinese barbecue sauce, about a cup of hoisin sauce into the bowl. Next up, upside down gochujang. That's the best kind, don't you know? And then we're going to balance out that heat with a little bit of honey. Next in, this wonderful ginger paste that I got at the store to replace fresh ginger, and then of course some Chinese 5-spice powder. Stir, 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 mix, mix, mix. Then we have our baby back pork ribs. We used 2 baby back racks and we coated them in half. Into our Instant Pot goes a cup of water and the steamer basket, and of course my early wood tongs. They all fit in one layer. We're gonna turn on our Instant Pot to pressure cook more high, and we're gonna drop down the time to 25 minutes before locking it up top. When the Instant Pot beeps and is all done, don't press that venting lever. Instead, let it naturally vent for about 15 or 20 minutes before venting it to the rest of the way. You can see how much liquid came out of those baby back ribs. I started with a cup of water and I came out with about 3 cups, and all of that is wonderful gelatin. You could actually reduce that and use that as your glaze, but I had some more of that hoisin mixture, which I then broiled for about 4 minutes. And that's as easy as it is. Next up, some sesame seeds, and you can see how tender these are. I just cut a little bit of the way and then I just tear them. And they were wonderful ribs done in less than an hour and a half. So that's it for Chris Cooks, a great weeknight pork rib dish in the Instant Pot.